Hello and welcome to the Void Acoustics walkthrough for the Inca series amplifiers. The following will explain the functionality of the UI and demonstrate how to configure your Inca series amplifier. There are multiple videos covering each of the 5 main pages of the UI. This video is for the dashboard page. Upon logging into the UI, you will land on the dashboard page, which gives a quick overview of the configuration of the amplifier. Under status, you have control over the standby. You can view the input and output status. You can also see the LAN IP address and the Wi-Fi IP address. Below this, you have basic controls for each zone. You can also see the output that zone is outputting to and the input that has been sent to that zone. You can mute and adjust the volume of each zone independently. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to email support@voidacoustics.com or call the office at +44 1202 666 006.